What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I have the Aura Z Hornet keyboard and mouse with the headphones. I know I used to have one of these, but the headphones didn't work. So I'm gonna see if they work right now. So I'll be right back. By the way, if you want to see it, just skip ahead. It's gonna take a little bit of time trying to box this thing, or here, Val, can you hold this?
Yeah, here. Here's the
Record
scissors.
the thing.
Okay, here's the scissors.
Sadly, I have to return the other one, so I'm not gonna have two keyboard and mouses. So I'm just gonna unbox this. It's kinda hard.
Here, just use the scissors to cut the tape off. Sharp. Because, you know, I'm the cameraman. You already tried unboxing it for 1 minute already.
I know. Alright.
Here it is.
I don't need it.
Okay. Sorry, I bought it for no reason.
Something like this.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah.
So we got the keyboard again.
And then there's the other one.
Same as the ordinary one. Alright,
And
so
if
we
you
got
want to see us open the whole thing, let's skip ahead.
here is the headphones. I don't know.
And then here's the mouse.
Oh, I see. So, here is the difference, guys. Look. Where's my old headphones?
Oh, right there.
Oh, look. Here is the difference. So, we got two different things. One, these are the ordinary ones. These are the real ones. Or that's the ordinary one. But look, these are the things that they didn't tell me. They weren't green and pink. They were just ordinary.
That's orange.
Or whatever color it is. I don't know. I'm colorblind.
Go
here
watch
it
the
is.
video when he's colorblind. Don't
Here's
watch
the
anybody.
again.
FGTV. Blah, 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 blah.
Ooh. Ooh. Here's the map.
Show the camera. Show the camera. Show the camera the map.
Oh, look.
What?
What is this? See, you never included any of this stuff.
So they might have just scammed you for stuff that doesn't even work. What if they did that, scammed you?
You might. See, look. It never showed me this before.
Did somebody probably like open the box already and then we taped it and took all the other stuff out and we taped it again?
Alright, guys, so this is the review here. We got this thing that they never included. We got the mat. We got the mouse, the keyboard, and
headphones that actually come
yeah,
this.
surprisingly. So this is gonna be the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.